Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to import an IFC TopoExport file into Archicad. The IFC file used in this video comes from TopoExport. You can download similar files very easily from this website. The link is in the description. We'll look at how to link an IFC2x3 file into an Archicad project. But first, what is an IFC file? IFC stands for Industry Foundation Classes. It's an open standard used for data exchange in openBIM workflows. There are two different types of IFC formats. TopoExport provides you one IFC2x3, which is ideal to be imported into Archicad, and one IFC4, which is made to be imported into Revit. Now let's import the file into Archicad. It's very simple. Open Archicad and click on New to start a new project. Then go to File, Open. In the File type drop-down, choose IFC. Look at the file name TopoExport IFC2x3 Archicad. Click Open. Then click OK. Let's switch to the 3D view. And there it is. Our 3D IFC model is fully imported and editable. Each object is correctly categorized according to IFC standards. Roofs are imported into IFC roof. Walls into IFC wall. The terrain is classified as IFC model element. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Archicad tutorials.